Guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. Literally everything you can get for $5 or less. This video is pre-recorded. I recorded it like in February, so it is old, but it's just a good demonstration on how to do your eyebrows starting out. So the first thing that I do is I start off with the middle part of my brow, and I just start a line between underneath my brow and my tail of my eyebrow, and I just connect them. It's kind of like connecting the dots or just filling it in. That's the easiest way for me to do my brows. And then I just figure out how long I want them, because I used to have thick ass short eyebrows, y'all. Like, I don't know why I did my eyebrows like that when I first started out, but you know, it's a learning try. Everybody learns. I look crazy as hell though, but now it's a lot better. Now it is a lot better. So as you can see, I'm getting towards the front part of my brow, and I'm still, you know, focusing on the end of the brow, but I'm still going in to try to make it even as possible and look clean as possible before I do my concealer. So just, you know, fixing up the edges a little. So now I'm getting towards the front part of my brow. What I do, I just flip my brush sideways and I just bring it straight up, following the line underneath that I had. And I use it as a guidance, and it's just so much easier to do your brows. Alright, boom. So now I'm about to start the other side of my brow. It's not really nothing different, but it is kind of harder like the other brow. I shaved it off when I was younger, y'all, so it does take me like an extra few minutes on that brow. It just depends. Like, I don't know, some days the brows be flicky to flick. The next day they be looking like fucking Dollar Tree and Walmart. So let's get them bitches Gucci. Okay, so now since both eyebrows are done, I'm going to be going in with my concealer. The concealer that I used in this video isn't cheap. I mean, it's not expensive either. It's NARS, but I just wanted to get out what I had left in this bottle before I threw it away. I usually do use my PRO CONCEAL in the color Toffee or Fawn. They're literally $2, $1.99 at the beauty supply, your local beauty supply. So it's really easy to find. If not, just order some off Amazon. Now, the easiest way for me to do my eyebrows with the concealer is I make a few dots underneath my eyebrow, and I would raise my eyebrows just to get the sharpest shape. Like, when my eyebrows are sitting naturally, I can do that for my tail, but as far as the beginning and the middle part of my brow, I have to raise them just so I can make them as sharp and clean as possible. So now we're moving on to the top part of our brows. It's literally the same exact process, just the top part. So now I'm just gonna blend this out. So you just look for any type of brush that you use for your makeup that can blend well. And I raise my eyebrows and I brush sideways and I brush down. And that's just so I can work the product in so it looks as natural as possible. Okay guys, so the next part you want to blend. It is very important that you blend so you do not get that harsh line around your brows. When I get to the middle part of my brows, I flip the brush sideways. I know I flip my brushes a lot, but I flip it sideways, and right where your brow would start, I swipe it up just a little bit so it doesn't look boxy in the front, just so it gives it like a natural fade. And I usually get my finger and just swipe right up too. And boom, now you got some bomb ass eyebrows for $5 or less in 5 minutes or less. So thanks you guys for watching this video. It's your girl Sid, and thanks for vibing with the kid, and tune into my next video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.